month in a box. It's myOrganized.life live, November 29th, 2018. Were you thinking like Jack in the Box?
Sure. Yes.
No, that's not. Okay. Anyway, hello and welcome to myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Thursdays it is
Solution Day.
Solution Day.
Today, what is our problem? What is your problem?
Let's
not get into that.
The problem was that you didn't have a solution for us.
Don't tell our people that.
Well, you said, what should we do?
You know why? Because we've talked about
you think that
a lot of things, and I didn't want to recycle. So we're not recycling.
No.
We're digging deep.
We're digging deep. We went into the catalog.
Yes, we did.
We're saying we need to today maybe do like some of our more like fringe, unique products.
That's a nice way of putting it.
As we were paging through the catalog,
we came to the folder sets.
The folder sets. Okay, a folder
what is
set.
That, you ask?
A folder set is a set of folders. But what's kind of nice about these folders is they have the tabs already printed on because you can get them. We have 3 different folder sets. Today we're just going to talk about 2 of them. Set number 1, I will go over to the close-up camera here. And this is the monthly set,
nice.
January through December. So there's how many in the monthly set?
12.
12, very good.
12, yes.
We also have the daily set, which is, we'll put slides up for these later, but right now just doing the overview. This has 1 through 31.
All right.
Covers all your months, right? Because
covers all your days.
Well, I know, but all the months.
If you use them
30
together.
days has September, April.
I do this.
There are
January,
a few of them that
February,
have
March,
31.
Yeah.
You know the ones that are 31? Quick.
January, March. No, March has 30. January has 31.
Your little system
January,
with the
March,
knuckles.
April, May, June, July, August has 31.
Okay, the knuckle system.
It works. It just doesn't tell you which is 31 and which is 30.
Okay, I caught you on that one.
Okay.
So anyway, this is the daily folder set, 1 through 31. And then we also didn't bring it in here today because we're not using it for this solution. We have the alphabetical set. Now, how many would be in the alpha set?
26.
Very good. A through Z, one folder. So as again,
I didn't know I was going to be quizzed on the amount of.
Well, you know, we had this is an educational program,
Okay, so tell them how we're going to use this system today.
So we said, okay, well, how do you use? So we said, how do you use these?
So we said to ourselves, how do we use these?
How do you use a folder
and I
set?
Said self. Well,
self, yeah. So actually, the folder set is.
You had a great idea.
Well. Okay, there's a term out there called tickler file.
We've heard that.
Dozens of times. Our professional organizer friends love the term.
You know who I think of, the 2 organizers?
Who?
Louise.
Yes, Louise loves the tickler file.
And Julie Vestry.
Yes.
They're the tickler file queens.
Okay.
Now everyone's got their thing.
Now hopefully they'll like this solution because
I'm sure they will. How can you not?
A tickler file is something you tickle. But it's actually a desktop action file, something that you want to get at. You can have this also in the drawer too. And when we talk about this, this might be a drawer solution for you as well.
But we should mention we are using our poly box.
Poly box. Let's put a slide up for this.
Sure.
This is the Smeed poly file box. The number is 71631. Okay, a nice poly box. We use this solution a lot for a lot of different things. Very versatile. It's got
that's
handles.
back in our wardrobe room.
Yes, back in the prop room.
Yeah.
And this can also fit in the front of a file drawer, so you can use this for a lot of things.
Yep.
If you go to myOrganized.life and go to the what goes with what section, we have several solutions that feature this fine little
yes, we do.
file box. Okay, so.
But for this
But for what we're going to do, we're going to say, what happens when you have something that you want to refer to at a future date, not today, delay, the delayed decision. Well,
do you put it in one of these folders?
A tickler file. So now a tickler file can come in various forms, but quite often you might just use the 1 through 31. We'll show this again. In fact, why don't we put the slide up right now for this. This is the 1 through 31 folder set, 11769.
Yes.
And this gives you 31 folders already pre-numbered.
Yeah.
Now, you could do that, put that in the box. And let's say, well, today is the 29th, right?
Right.
And
I have something due December 5th.
Well, what you could do is you could take that, you could go to the number 5 folder here.
And drop it in.
Drop it in there. So now, what a tickler file is only as good as the person using it.
Okay.
So when December 5th rolls around, the first thing in the morning, you're going to probably want to take folder number 5 and say, okay, what do I got to deal with today?
Yep.
And it's right there. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Now, so you could do that. You could do 1 through 31 now. Like we're on the 29th today.
Way back.
So you have to be thinking, okay, well, wait a minute. I've got the 5th of December. That's actually next month, so I've got to go to the beginning. So you could do it with 1 through 31.
Yep.
Now, if you want to enhance this a little bit, then we bring in
Tell me more.
the monthly folder set. Let's put the slide up for that. That is number 11765. Now, this could actually be a year in a box.
It could, yeah. It's a lot of folders in there,
Yes.
but it could
So
be.
what you would do is you'd have the 31 daily folders, and then, okay, we are in November, so I'm going to take November out of here, and we'll put November in the front.
Nice.
And then we put January through December in the back. Take a little close
So
up
what
on
would you
this.
put in the November folder then?
Well, actually,
Maybe more higher level monthly.
well, let's
items?
just assume you'd have the November folder in there at the beginning of November.
Right.
So what you would do on November 1st, open it up and say, oh, I got all these things to do, because things that have gone in this folder went in before
Okay.
November happened. So,
Got it, okay.
So then you want to assign them to the different days.
Yep.
But probably what we would have, since this is November 29th, most likely what's happening is we would have December in the front.
Okay.
Okay, so it's November 29th. This morning we went in and we looked at,
we said, oh, today's
it's
show is
29th, yes, we got to do
solution
the
day.
solution day. Better come up with a solution and look in the catalog.
Yep.
Okay, now tomorrow is the 30th, which is Friday, right?
Yes.
What do you think is in there?
Blogger roundup.
Yeah, where are the blogs? I don't see any in here.
No, you don't.
Uh-oh, that's because you probably haven't done them yet, right?
Of course I have
I'm
done
sure
them.
you have, right? And how about November 30th? No, we don't
No?
do November 31st, but we have the 31, so we cover all the months. What
Right.
are the months with the 31 days?
I don't know.
Okay.
January, August.
Let's see.
I told you yeah.
Roses are red, violets are blue. 31 days has these months. Or something.
January, August.
You're still having a
I
trouble.
have no idea. What is the little rhyme? I don't even know the rhyme.
I don't know what it is. Well, I have the 30 days are September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except February, which who knows? what will happen.
Oh,
It's
December
either
has
20
31.
Yes, December has 31. Okay, so let's say it's December 1st. Here's what you would do in this tickler file. You'd open up the December folder, and there'd be a bunch of things in here for December because this was November. So now we're going to put, the thing for December 5th goes in there, December 3rd. Okay, we'll move that to the back, and then we'll move in the January folder right here.
Okay.
So what this allows you to do is this allows you to, during the month of December, work on all the December stuff, put the things for the next month, which is probably where most stuff is going.
Yep.
And then when January 1st comes on, you pull
Do
this
the same
around,
thing.
you move it around. So anyway, so that is like a
Wow,
whole...
that's really good. You just kind of came up with this.
I did.
Just
And
this morning.
If Julie Bestry or Louise are out there right now scratching their head going, what in
is
the
he
world is he
talking
talking about? You never know. Put in the comments. Maybe
ask Julie to comment.
Julie,
will comment.
can
She
you
likes
comment
commenting.
on this? We better tag her on this.
Julie
then.
liked my sweater on Monday.
She did?
Yeah,
Nice.
that was really nice of
Very
her to
good.
say.
Thanks, Julie. Julie, maybe you should talk about how we could use these. But anyway, the other thing is, if you notice here, this is a lot of folders for this little file box.
So it could go in the drawer too.
Yeah, this could go in the drawer. You could just take this whole chunk out there, put them in the drawer. You could have some of them in the drawer. You could move a week at a time out here.
Put some in hanging
All kinds of
folders.
flexibility, right? So
All
let's
sorts
put the
of
slides
options.
up one more time. First, we've got the folder set.
The 1 through 31 number.
That is 11769. Then we have the monthly folder set, which is 11765. And then
the box.
the box is 71631. Okay, there you have it. Not only a month in a box, you have a year in a box, you have a tickler file, and hopefully we'll have comments from Julie Bestry or Louise on how we did today. But
You did great.
well,
I
thank you.
kind of just listened.
Okay, that's good. So it's a different show.
Yeah, that's okay though. It's good.
Well, then tomorrow we'll be listening to you more because usually you do more of the blogs than me.
I do. Yes, I will
And
find
Blogger
some blogs.
Roundup, and we're getting close to the Christmas time, I'm sure there'll be a few thematic
I'm
ones.
sure we've already had some.
Yes, we had been doing those.
Yep.
Have had.
Have had.
Okay, and so that's Friday, and then you know what Friday means? It's the weekend.
The weekend and time to go home and shovel
fun.
some snow.
Oh yeah, I had to do that this morning.
I didn't. I
Got the
plowed
snowblower
right through
out.
it. Did you really?
Yes.
There was like this much snow.
No, there wasn't. There was about this much. But anyway, well, folks, that's it. Thank you for sitting through this great tutorial on creating a tickler file. And we'll be back tomorrow for Blogger Roundup right here, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, and noon Pacific. myOrganized.life live. Stock up on your favorite organizing products now at myOrganized.life. This is the perfect time of year to equip your office with file folders, expanding files, project organizers, and more. And introducing our new bright white folder line that coordinates with any office decor. It's easy, shop online, and it's delivered right to your office. Stock up now on your favorites with everything you need at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.